Hi, this is Brandon with Green Acres Nursery and Supply in Sacramento. Want to just kind of go over some things about water zoning. Right here, I've got some that would be in a similar zone for low water requirements. This is a California native Urgeron. We have salvia and catmint as well. Again, it'd be something that you would want to plant in a similar area, whether it's using sprinklers or drip system, but they're all around the same water requirement, so the same water zone essentially. Further over here, I've got some plants that are higher water usage. You'll see ferns, hydrangeas. These are also, not the bee, hostas. And these are higher usage, so you would want to irrigate accordingly. Ferns, again, you want to think of also the shade requirements for them as well. These are all more shade loving, kind of like our canopy we have here. So they'll be also the same with the water usage.